God bless everybody. Juan Garcia with Lion of Judah Property Solutions. So we got called out real quick here to pick up a refrigerator for one of our real estate customers that gives us some jobs at times. And we're about to head down Saxe, which is about 10 minutes away from here. And they already have the refrigerator parked outside the garage, before we just go in there and dolly it up into the truck. We're here to pick up the fridge. Is this it? Okay, yes ma'am. Huh? Oh yeah. Oh man, it had better days, ain't it? Absolutely. Yes, ma'am. No, I get it. I know that's right. Thank you, ma'am. God bless you. Thank you. All righty. There it is. Quick little job.